Have you ever felt like you're falling behind in a world where everyone else seems to be cashing in on AI? What if I told you that the key to mastering AI tools isn't in having the latest tech, but in avoiding the mistakes that could cost you everything? Stay with me for 5 minutes, and I'll show you how to turn AI into your most powerful ally and sidestep the errors that are quietly draining people's potential and wallets. AI is revolutionizing industries, from finance to marketing to investing. But here's the truth. Most people are using it wrong. They're either over-relying on it or misusing it entirely. And the cost? Missed opportunities, wasted money, and shattered confidence. But here's the scary part. If you don't adapt now, someone else will take the advantage you could have had. So let's dive into the first mistake and how to fix it. First mistake 1. Treating AI like a set and forget. AI tools are powerful, but they're not self-sufficient. Too many people set up an automation and walk away, thinking the tool will figure it out. It won't. It's like planting a money tree and forgetting to water it. You've got to guide AI with specific goals and regular adjustments. But what happens when AI starts making decisions you didn't intend? We'll get to that in a moment. Second mistake 2. Overlooking data quality. Garbage in, garbage out. If your data is messy, outdated, or irrelevant, your AI tool will spit out bad results. Think of it like putting spoiled ingredients into a recipe. No matter how good the chef, the dish will be awful. Would you trust a financial advisor who works with outdated spreadsheets? Then, why trust an AI tool that isn't fed clean, actionable data? The solution? Focus on quality inputs. Think of data as the fuel for your AI engine. The cleaner it is, the faster and farther you'll go. Third mistake. 3. Ignoring ethical and long-term impacts. AI isn't just a tool. It's a force that can shape your future. Misusing it or relying on unethical shortcuts might get you a quick win, but it can backfire badly. For instance, copying AI-generated content without originality, it could damage your reputation or even result in lawsuits. So, how do you leverage AI without falling into these traps? That's where mastery comes in. Mastering AI is simple, but not easy. It's about consistency, intention, and learning. Start small. Choose one tool and understand its full potential. Stay updated. AI evolves daily. And most importantly, keep asking, how can I use this to multiply my time and wealth ethically? And don't let fear stop you, because the biggest mistake you can make with AI is doing nothing at all. Imagine looking back 5 years from now, wishing you had started today. Now that you're armed with the strategies to master AI, there's one more skill you need to unlock: how to profit from crypto arbitrage and Bitcoin's hidden secrets. Curious? Click on the video on your screen right now. Let's turn today's knowledge into tomorrow's wealth.